What's happening, party people? I am in Chicago today, and they raised the forecast from something like 38 to 50. So I'm looking forward to that. I don't see a cloud in the sky. I think it's going to be a great day to get some stuff done, and I'm going to get as much as I can done. Then I'm going to head into Kalamazoo tonight, home tomorrow, appointment Sunday, back to the Chicago area Sunday afternoon, and then work through Chicago Monday, and then back to Cincinnati Monday night. I got a doctor's appointment Tuesday and Wednesday, and then I'm headed to Texas Thursday. So that's what my schedule looks like. I appreciate you all watching. Had a decent day yesterday getting stuff done on the 850 and a thing done on the V70. Check some things out on the V70R. So, hey, it's taking it one day at a time. Appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here with John's new Grab, 97 GLT. Some repairs, but man, it looks like it may have a 12-year-old timing belt kit on there. So we're gonna do the timing belt stuff to protect the engine and see what else we get into today. And we have timing marks. Let's go ahead and take this tensioner off, take the top cover off, and take a look at these parts. I don't think they're 10 years old, but hey, you gotta have proof or you gotta do it. But that water pump's original with those cogs missing. We got cam seals leaking, exhaust and intake, so we're gonna replace those. And I put marks on the screws so I can get the cams orientated back, and I put a scratch on them there, scratch on it there, so I can get the marks back where they belong. So we could dab those cam gears with the mark as well, so that we have easy to find marks. Well, for some reason we got some kind of glue or paste on the cams. That would not be good for putting cam seals in. It's like they tried to glue the seal in or something. They're Volvo seals, but they're leaking. Got the seals out pretty easy. I'm using this flat screwdriver. I just slide it in the cam and pry them out. That's been the easiest tool so far. The thing that concerns us, we didn't get no oil out of the intake cam. And there's some crusty, gluey stuff that doesn't look like Volvo anaerobic sealant. So we suspect this car has had a cylinder head job. Now we did get oil out of this one, so the tiny passages up to this cam seal may be gone. One kind of plus was that peanut butter just wiped right off of the cam, so it wasn't no kind of glue or anything, so we're pleased about that. So we're going to press these cam seals in. John has one of the original tools, and keep it moving.
Video the other night, she's like, oh yeah, that's got that gasket on it like mine did. I'm like, yeah?
Man, I have no idea what happened to this water pump. It was like something was down in there and it was chewing away at it. But as you can see, we got 1 little inch of gasket left and we are good to go. Whoop, whoop. There it is. We're going to pull that off of there, brush that up, and keep moving. There it is. Oh, we got a little piece of gasket left on there. Oh, almost missed that. Everything else is pretty clean. Let me chip at that little piece of gasket there and go from there. Cleaned a lot of the oil out of there. We got the crank moved back where it was, busting that bolt off. Moved it a little bit counterclockwise, so it is back where it should be. And you can see the little notch out of the crank sprocket there. You can see the line right there goes over to the nipple on the oil pump. So that's where that needs to be. And we're going to put this idler in. We're going to put these cam sprockets back on. Contact. Nice and smooth. No oil gushing out. We'll let it run a minute or two. And then we'll try to top off some more of this coolant. And folks, we are done. Just got to top off the coolant and pick up a few more tools. Yes, that's it. It's probably most of what I did that day. Another timing belt job. Got it done. Everything went smooth. And getting that car in tip-top shape. Nice car. That should last a while. Should last a while. Those are really good cars. You know, people usually regret getting rid of these old Volvos, but hey, you know, sometimes you get that tickle for something new. So that's what they do. Anyway, let me wrap it up. Get some exercise in. Get down to the shop. Get some work done. And if you need something, go to my website. Call or text me is the best way. I appreciate your support, and thanks for watching.